Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Facebook login errors, avoid unexpected glitches. So if ever you encounter this problem, what I'm going to show you right now is the best method in order for you to solve this problem. So first you have to go to your phone settings, and then here you have to scroll down and then look for apps management, tap app list, scroll down and look for Facebook, or you can go to the search icon and then type Facebook here. So once you found Facebook, what you're going to do is to tap this and then scroll down again, look for storage usage, and then this time you have to click clear cache. Don't worry, it will just remove temporary files. After that, go back, and then this time you have to look for permissions. So look for permission, and then what you're going to do here is you have to allow features such as your phone, your location, your storage, in order for you to avoid glitches and errors here on your Facebook application. As you can see, everything here is allowed. Now, in case that, for example, your storage permission is under denied or you deny the access to this, what you're going to do is to tap, click allow, and your storage is now under allowed. So basically, this will help you fix some errors of logging in on your Facebook application. And the very last thing to do here is you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Facebook application. Go to Play Store or App Store, look for Facebook, and if you see update button, what you're going to do is you have to click update. So look for Facebook, and then if you see update button right here, tap this one, wait for a couple of seconds, and then after that, go back to your Facebook and open again. So by doing this method, it will somehow fix Facebook login errors. So if you want us to create another tutorial, or if you want us to do another tutorial, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next videos.